In this video, we will show you how to replace your wiper blades on this Mercury Grand Marquis between the year ranges of 2003 and 2011. Your wiper blades will be located right up against the bottom area of the windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is carefully lift the wiper blade up and off of the windshield. Once you've done that, you're going to want to carefully continue on by coming in between this area of the wiper blade. We're trying to find a little tab that's underneath this area. Once you do, gently pull down on it, and then carefully start pulling the wiper blade off of the arm. Gently rest the wiper arm against the windshield, and there it is. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our wiper blade. Take the wiper blade so you have the adapter facing like this. We'll slide this into place on the wiper arm and then lock it in by pressing it away from the wiper arm. Go ahead and give that a little wiggle to make sure it's secured so you know for sure it will not fly off while you're driving down the road. Carefully rest the wiper blade up against the windshield. The process will be the exact same thing for either side of the wiper blades. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.